Samsung will present its next flagship phone, the Galaxy S9, next month at Mobile World Congress MWC. The company's head of smartphone, DJ Ko, confirmed yesterday the launch of ZDNet at CES. Ko did not offer a specific date, but MWC will run from February 26 until March 1 of this year, so it is expected that the presentation will be reduced at some point within that time frame. The S9 and, presumably, an S9 Plus will be the successors of the S8 and S8 Plus, which was launched at a Samsung event in New York last March before going on sale in April. The S8 and its older brother were a success among the critics, who praised the magnificent design of the phones and the brilliant cameras. The phones were even good enough to make consumers forget about the Galaxy Note 7 disaster and its batteries exploding. Not much is known about the Galaxy S9 at this time, although we do not expect any radical departure from the S8. A handful of filtered renders suggest that it will look almost identical to its predecessor, with a slight movement moving the rear fingerprint sensor under the camera instead of its current position, uncomfortable, to the side.